Today we're going to show you how to replace a floor joist. As you can see from where Andy's standing, we're missing one. The big rotted piece we already cut out, but here's a video to show you kind of what it looked like before this point right here. It was rotted because, well, there was a kitchen here and a laundry room and a hot water tank and a bunch of stuff that leaked everywhere.
And before possibly a bathroom? Is that what we figured out?
And possibly a bathroom, not really sure. Overall, ugly. So, we've gone ahead and cut out the big pieces of rot, and now we're going to show you how to take out the remaining piece of this floor joist, which is still under the subfloor. So here is our floor joist, looking up from the crawl space now. As you can see, it's pulling off from our subfloor already up here, so that's great. But what we want to do is figure out how can we get this section out, because it's pinched between the subfloor and our main beam. If we just yank on this, what it's going to do is pop up our subfloor, and it could cause a bump or a ridge right there, which you really don't want. So we're going to use a Sawzall with a 12-inch blade and cut an angle through this right here. And what that's going to do is give us a relief cut so that this could actually rotate out. So let's get that done.
If you're wondering why that cut was so difficult to make, yes, it's partly John's operation of the Sawzall, but also this wood, extremely hard.
So now that joist is removed, it leaves behind some old nails. And man, those old nails sure can make it difficult to slide in the new joist. So what we're gonna do is take this grinder and just grind them out of the way.
Get it?
Make sure you wear your safety glasses. That didn't go in my mouth at all.
That's what she said.
I was waiting for you to get that.
Now that the old floor joist is out, we just need to measure our span to cut our new floor joist. And when you measure from the outside of each beam, not from the inside. Obviously, if it's from the inside, it's not going to be long enough. Our joist is in place, so now we need to get it rotated so it's standing vertical. We're going to do that with this handy dandy 5-ton jack. We're going to put it right here and jack on the bottom side of this floor joist, which will push it straight again. However, our new floor joist here would probably get pushed in the opposite direction instead of pushing this one up, because there's no blocking here keeping this guy in place. So we're going to first cut some blocking that go between these two floor joists to stiffen this area up so we can jack against it to rotate this one.
John's also using a steel plate against the wood so that the top of the bottle jack does not just press and destroy our joist, because it will.
And there we have it. Our joist on this side is now vertical and properly in its place.
Ta-da.
We're gonna do exactly the same thing to the other side. However, that's a really difficult thing to film, so just trust us. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side.
We might try to put it down there. If the film doesn't work, that's why you don't see it.
Exactly. Water break. Look at that. Oh, that's going so good, Andy. Now it's staying up in place where we want it to be. We just got to put a few nails in to keep it from popping back out again. Ta-da!
That should do.
That will do.
Thank you for watching this video of us installing floor joists.
Hopefully you found something helpful for the next time you gotta tackle this project.
If you found something helpful or also want to let us know how we can improve on this, feel free to comment down below.
Yes, because we will respond, most likely. And go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might be tackling this project or maybe avoiding the project because they're a little intimidated by it.
Also, ring the bell for notifications because we are committing to you, our loyal fan base, that we will produce a video every now and again.
Yep, you can hold us to it.
Every now and again.
So, if you want to get good at something, you should probably stay consistent at it. Because if you don't, it's going to take you a lot of takes to actually get together a good video to put on the internet.
We're not talking about
No,
today's
not
situation.
us.
Not
No,
us.
no, we're good.
Probably you.
We're professionals.
Also, you just got to do it.